Hi, I'm Liam.
I'm Jules.
And this is Parkour Kids. So, today we're going to be doing some Diabolo tricks. So just so you know a little bit about the Diabolo, these are the two cups and this is the axle. But because this is not a fixed axle, it only spins one way. So if you're right-handed, you have to do it. You have to put the white away from you. But if you're left-handed, you have to do the black away from you. Now, how to get it started is, because I'm a right-handed, I'm going to do it like this. So how to get it started is you roll it from one side, and then you just do like little taps like this to get it started. Okay, and as you can see, that's spinning. Okay, so have a little bit of a practice like that. Okay, today I want to show you 3 basic tricks that you can do on the Diabolo. Hopefully now you know how to start it. So the first trick I'm going to show you is how to throw it up in the air and then catch it. How you do that is you have to tighten your strings and then so you gotta, hang on, let me just show you. So you have to throw it up like that. Then you're going to take the hand that you're most comfortable with, closest to it, and let it land on the string. And then as soon as it lands, you bring it back together like this. So, like that, and then like this. So let me show you what that actually looks like. So it's like this. This is just my type of acceleration, it goes faster. I can teach you that another day. Anyway, so you have to throw it up in the air, and then do that, and then catch it. You can do lots of it in swag as well. Okay, on to the next trick. So this next trick is called the trapeze. Okay, so just, hey, you guys start it first. And then, so the trapeze is a bit more difficult than the tossing catch. So it goes like this. So this is just what it looks like, and I'll show you how to do it. Like that, and then like this. So how you do that is you have to keep the Diabolo like that. You have to swing it, make sure that the string's like this, and then let it land on that string, like that. Okay? Then you just throw it back out, like that. So it's pretty simple. It's just this, like that, do that, and then just tighten your strings back to normal. And you can do it on the other side as well. On to this trick number 3. It's going to be the sun. So the sun is actually a lot more simple. It's actually not that hard, to be honest. All you're doing is this. So you gotta, let me just accelerate it. There we go. Okay, all you gotta do is put your sticks together like this, and then swing it up, around. But because there it's twisted and you can't actually just let go, you have to do it the other way around, like that. Then you're back to normal. So that's pretty easy, that one. So all you have to do is when you've got the Diabolo there, you have to swing it around like that, and then swing it back around like that. Okay? So that was 3 basic tricks today. Hopefully it was helpful and that you guys know how to do them, so good luck. Now, if you want to know some more tips and tricks on parkour and circus, make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe as well. Bye!